me go back. I see in my notes that I left C as the square root of 8 times the square root of 4 plus h. Let me give you a little bit of a hint. What if we use cosine alpha? How would we define cosine alpha? Cosine is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cosine alpha is going to be 4 plus h divided by the square root of 8, square root of 4 plus h. 4 plus h divided by the square root of 8, square root of 4 plus h. And the reason I left it that way, can anyone see why I would leave it that way? Square root's the same thing as, oops, we're running out of time, 1/2. So now what I end up with is 4 plus h to the 1/2 power divided by the square root of 8. And let's see. So I have the square root of 8 cosine alpha equals the square root of 4 plus h. Can that help me at all? Anything in here that could help me? Up here I'm needing what? Square. Down here, I don't have that. Could I get it? If I do what? If I take x equals 3, have I changed the value of that if I square both sides? What about if I raise it to the 4th power? Do I change it at all? Am I giving you a hint? What if I take this and raise both sides to what power? 4. Then I'd have 4 plus h to the 1/2 to the 4th power, which would be the same thing as 4 plus h squared. Are we getting it down into everything with alpha? So now I've got a equals what? Could you take the derivative of that? Might not be something you want to do, but you could.